Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking in logistics. Confirm date, time, panel names, and the exact room or online link so nothing surprises you. Once done, prioritize a tight 3-5-minute summary that highlights your aim, methods, and headline result. This anchors every follow-up. Next, prepare 3 short, robust answers for common probes: rationale, limitations, and next steps. Practicing these aloud reduces filler words and builds confidence, so speak them until they feel natural. You handle the core by first listening fully, pause 1 to 2 seconds to collect your thoughts so you reply calmly. Then structure responses with point, evidence, consequence. State your claim, cite the key result or method, and explain what it means. Use your slides as signposts, say "see slide 4" or quote the exact number to anchor the panel. If you don't know, say so and offer a reasoned approach. That demonstrates control rather than bluffing. You close by giving a concise 2-3 sentence takeaway that reiterates contribution and next steps. This leaves a clear impression. Then invite final questions and ask for feedback or clarification, which turns any loose ends into constructive dialogue. If technical or content problems arise, switch to your backup plan, move to a spare device, load offline slides, or use a hotspot. That recovers momentum quickly. If a question
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.